Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view the balance sheet of a stock or a company on Google Finance. Understanding a balance sheet is really important because it gives you a snapshot of a company's financial health, showing what it owns, what it owes, and the total shareholder equity. This information is key for investors to make informed decisions about risk, potential growth, and overall company stability. Once Googl Finance is opened up, select a stock or company of your choice. For this example, I'll use Walmart, ticker symbol WMT, Walmart Inc. Once selected, scroll down to the Financials section, where it says Income Statement, minimize that, and select Balance Sheet instead. Now, once the balance sheet is visible, you can use the drop-down menu to view it on a quarterly or annual basis. Here you'll find detailed metrics such as cash, total assets, liabilities, equity, outstanding shares, price to book, return on assets, and return on capital. Watching these numbers over time can help you track trends, understand liquidity, and see how efficiently the company uses its resources. These insights are valuable for both long-term investing and short-term decision-making. And that's it. It's very simple and straightforward. Now you know how to check the balance sheet of any company or stock on Google Finance. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful Google Finance tutorials and investing tips. See you in the next video.